Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. And screen timeout basically is the time which takes the watch to turn off the screen after you stop using it. So it will wait a specific amount of time after you stop touching the screen or the buttons to turn off the screen, and it does it to save power on your watch. And you can change this time, you can increase it or decrease it. And of course I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get started. And to change the screen timeout we need to wake up the screen, swipe up on the screen to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings we need to find the option called display and tap on it, and here look for the option called screen timeout. And here we have it. By default it will be 15 seconds and that's the lowest version. Then we have the 30 and 1 minute. Be aware though, if you select something longer, it will make your screen stay up longer, but it will also use more battery life because the screen is on for longer period of time. I recommend 15 seconds, it's not bad. Usually some watches have lower times, like 4 seconds. This one has 15, so it's quite decent. Then we have 30 seconds. This one is probably a lot longer and it's like a middle point. 1 minute is stretching it, but if you prefer your screen to stay on for 1 minute, you can as well select it if you want to. I just recommend something like 15 seconds, and that should be good enough for you. Okay, and then we can go back by pressing the back button, and that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.